Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to day 13 of my Topstep account. And I did get a dub today, and I'm gonna go over this trade with y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all my profit and loss for the day so far. I did get my fifth winning day, but I don't think I'm gonna take a payout right now because I want to get my account balance up some more. Because if I do take a payout, I'm not gonna have much of a buffer, and I might end up losing the account. So first, I'm gonna just go over this trade with y'all. Uh, it was a quick 5 minute setup, so I already got my lines and supply and demand zone still set from this morning. So I had this supply zone right here. I mean, this demand zone right here set from a 15-minute time frame. I modified it to a 5 minute, but I missed this entry. It came and tapped into here, and it shot off, and that was at 5:30. So I don't start trading until 6. So it went without me. And so I was looking to get in off of a retest to take it up higher, up to this higher time frame zone I marked up. But then I spotted this 5 minute supply zone. So I'll make it a little darker. I spotted this 5 minute supply zone, and price pulled back into it. I waited for a break of this retest candle, and I just took it for a 1 to 2. And it was just a simple trade, real easy, real quick. I was in and out, and like maybe when I get in, this is 6:05, around 6 o'clock, between 6 o'clock and 6:05, and then I got out around 6:25. So about 20-25 minutes. So that was the simple trade. So I did profit 500 before the commissions, and my account balance is up to 800. So I was thinking, like, I want to take $200 profit just to break even on my investment, the purchase of buying the account, and then the 145, I mean, the 149 to activate it. But then I forgot, if I take 200 out of here, my loss is going to just go up to zero, and so I'm gonna only have $600 to play with, which is not a lot at all. So I was thinking about getting it more to like that 1200, 1500 area before taking 200, just to break even. So everything after that is just profits for this specific account. And let me just show y'all my performance stats. Like I said, 800 total. Go out of this. I'm up almost 200 for the week. I took that L Monday, and this and then this is last month because we just hit April. So last month was pretty like shaky, whatever. I only got 4 dubs and what's that, 8 losses, and then I just took another loss. Is this? Oh yeah, the 31st. Yeah, I took another one. So March was pretty shaky. Hopefully April I can get on the road, stay disciplined to my rules, not try to not to let emotions take over, and just stay consistent and stay disciplined with my trading plan, my trading strategy, and just show up every day and try to get my 1 to 2 every day. If I find a trade, I find a trade. If I don't, I don't. So I can be able to grow this account and take my payouts consistently. So after I take my first payout of 200, I'll show y'all that process, and then after that, I'm going to try to I'm going to get more combines so that I can scale it up altogether. But just specific with this account, I'm going to try to get it up to 2,000, and I want to like keep my minimum balance at 2,000, and then take everything else off the top so I can have plenty of room to play with And if I got a balance of 2,000, just from my history, even with this account, um, even with the shaky month that I had, even with this account, I was still in profit overall, and I had less than 2,000 of buffer left because once you make profits, it's a scale and drawdown. So I had okay. So my laptop ended up dying, but before it died, I think I was saying I had a drawdown of less than 2,000, and I was still staying afloat, still having a positive P and L even after taking these eight losses, and of only 4 wins, I was still positive in my P&L overall for the month. So I feel like having a 2K buffer um, that I personally put on, and I try to take everything off the top of that. That should be well enough buffer to continue to grow and grow and grow this account, while maintaining the same amount of risk. Um, just to be able to consistently get payouts so that I can get more combines and copy trade those once they become express accounts, because I trade more aggressive during my combines, and then once it transfers over to the express, then I trade it with much less risk. I risk like anywhere from 5,000 on the low end to 1,000 on the high end per trade, just to pass the combine fast. That's why I don't really show that, because I don't necessarily want to advertise that, but that's just the way I pass the combine. That's not how I actually trade. It's the same system and the same setups, but it's just way more aggressive with the contract sizes. So, anyways, I plan on doing that before I get to the 2K mark though. When I get to about 1,200, 1,500, I want to take 200 off the top of that just to break even on my investments for paying for the combine and for paying for the, to actually like start the XFA. And then once I do that, I'll be break even. I can invest in combines, and then everything after 2K, I can withdraw, consistently get that 5 trading days wins of 200 or more, and I'll be able to then transfer that money to a live futures broker, and then be able to have my own personal account to also scale up. So that's my plan for this. So we're just gonna take it step by step, try to get this first payout, and then just go from there. So I see y'all Wednesday with my next trading day. Hopefully I find a trade. If I do, I'll post it. If not, y'all gonna catch me on the next one. So thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions or anything to let me know, any advice or tips. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.